In this tutorial, you will learn how to create ServiceNow credentials that will enable you to access the ServiceNow catalog and knowledge base via external integrations and use the ServiceNow tools. First, click on Credentials and Models in the menu to view the list of credentials. Next, click on Add Credentials to begin creating new credentials. Click on ServiceNow. Begin by assigning a name to these new credentials. We recommend using a service account like in this example. Next, select who can edit the credentials. By selecting Only Me, only the person who created the credentials can edit them. Next, provide the URL of your ServiceNow instance in the format https://mycompany.servicenow.com. Specify the username of the ServiceNow account to use to access the instance. It can also be an email address depending on your ServiceNow account configuration. Provide the password of the specified account. Finally, click on Add Credentials to finalize the creation. The credentials should now be visible with the success status in the list of credentials.